So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday the 8th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we saw this breakdown of this 1160. So prices come down towards 1110, and price progression here to the upside failed in around at 1150. So further deceleration, well, we saw a somewhat break of this uptrend momentum, went into brief consolidation, broke back down, tested the 111, came in for a near perfect test of that 111, from which we found support, had a break back to the upside to test that 200 period moving average, and we do appear to be encountering some resistance around the 200 period moving average. So if we do see subsequent breakdown from this 200 period moving average, we're looking for a move down towards this 111. Successful break from which, if we do fail to hold support in around the 111, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 1073. And if we do see continued sell side momentum here, possibly, and the volatility allows, possibly even a move down towards that 1020 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now, if we do see a somewhat counter move here, if we can break it back above the 200 period moving average and stay above it, looking for a move towards 1160 with that a confluence of the 400 period moving average, could act as a confluence which further adds to the likelihood of finding resistance around that 1160 and seeing that sell side momentum take us back down towards that 111. But if we do break and hold above the 1160, the very next level of note is all the way up at this 1215, from which we've previously encountered resistance. And let's just have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping up. And on this daily chart, I suppose we could draw a very crude rough trend line and say that we've seen some weakness here in the overall trend of the US dollar Japanese yen. Do have our highs around at 113. We've encountered resistance more recently around that 1215. Sure, we saw a bit of a pullback here at present. Do appear to be holding support above the 111. If we do continue to hold support above the 111, we may see a counter trend move back to the upside here and a retest of the 1215, after which we're possibly looking for a move towards that 113.04 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. But if we do break out to the downside and also break up beyond that 1073, possibly breaking out of this uptrend, rough trend line here, possibly break out to the downside. If we do see a break of that 1073, previously encountered some support here around 1073. So if we do break beyond that to the downside, may even see a move down towards a 1020. We do have that a confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce, but some breakout of this trend here we've had to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.